Everyone, welcome to Casper Squad. So today I'm going to show you how to rotate or fix the footage in Adobe Premiere Pro. So before I start my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. Let's start the video. First go to your Premiere Pro and here import your media. So drag and drop here. Here you see this footage is not fixed on screen. First go to here in sequence. Click on sequence settings. Here you see frame size and horizontal. So change these values. 3840 should be here and 2160 should be here. So type 3840 and here type 2160. Click OK. OK. So here you see, now click on footage and here goes to effect controls. Here you see scale and rotation, so goes in rotation and here type -90. So here guys you see this footage is rotate and fix on screen. So by this way you can fix your footage on screen by using Premiere Pro. If you have any question then ask me in comment section. I will be happy to answer all your queries. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. See you in another interesting and informative video. Take care. Bye bye.